My name is Liam Alexander Hunt and my role at Ambic is Managing Director. Ambic is a furniture manufacturing business based in Chesley Street, which is in the northeast of England. Established about 40 years ago, predominantly within the school space, so school furniture. We've since diversified and we do things like laboratories and furniture for any commercial environment, really. So I got involved with Ambic about 10 years ago. I then purchased the company from the previous owner approximately 6 years ago now. For me, the Help to Grow management course was to try and give me a bit more of an oversight or a different perspective on the business, almost taking a step back and looking at the business from a distance rather than being in it and tunnel vision all the time. After the course, one of the things that was very apparent very quickly was that it was all around me. I was, I suppose, a bit of a bottleneck. So we now have just a board of directors, whereas previously it was just myself. Having a team around me, a small core team of people taking responsibility for the different areas is incredibly important. I've got a team now that I can trust to use the processes that we've put in place and be able to make decisions almost as if I am there, but without me being present at all times. Since finishing the course, I'm able to be way more strategic in thinking. Having extra people around and the support, etc., gives you, I suppose, that little bit more freedom to be able to spend the time on things that are more important. I suppose one of the most difficult things in a manufacturing environment or being a manufacturer is how do you stand out? We've got our own unique way of doing that. And we've got drift cars, which I personally drive one of up and down the country, and it's got Ambic manufacturing on the side, which is quite a proud moment for myself. Innovation and sustainability, it's always been in the forefront of my mind. We've invested in solar panels. We've got 496 solar panels on the roof, which makes us fully sufficient when it comes to electricity. We've got a couple of goats doing all of the gardening outside. Absolutely wouldn't hesitate to recommend the Help to Grow management course. For me, it was not only the connections that I made through it, but what I learned in the course is I still use to this day, 5 years on. Hugely excited for the future. The course has helped me sort of realign my vision, focus on what is most important, not only to me, but to the company, but also for the future of the company, to make sure that we're, not only building the best furniture we can possibly build, but attracting the best talent that we can moving forward.